2025. Getting this garden setting up. Right now, and I'm cleaning out the soil. Got my pots. I took the soil and I put it in this box, Amazon box. I was going to throw it away, but some said keep it because you're going to need it for your garden. And I needed it. Put the soil in here so I can clean it up. I'm using an old back piece of a refrigerator. I cleaned all the dust off and I'm using that to sift through all the stuff that was in the soil so I can clean it up. This soil is about 2-3 years old. It's still good. I just got to add some nutrients to it. And this right here was my compost I started 3 years ago. I had grass, leaves, all types of fruits and vegetables. And after last year I didn't do any gardening, so I just sat in the yard and I didn't even open it for the first time until this year. And I saw everything decompose except for the eggshells. I heard they take forever to decompose anyway. So look how beautiful that soil looked. I mean, when I first looked at it, what was it, 2023, it was still nothing but grass and leaves and food scraps, and it was funky. And now look at that. So I'm mixing a little bit of this with the old soil. And yeah, I'm gonna hook this yard up. I got some more soil in here from last year. I didn't do any gardening last year, so everything went kind of crazy. So I'm cleaning up all the soil, and I have all these packets I'm gonna be planting. Still trying to figure out what I'm gonna plant because I got plant stuff together. I know I'm gonna plant this year tomato and basil in the same pot because I heard they do good. And I'm gonna try to do some summer squash, some lettuce. So I'll keep y'all updated.